plant and animal hormones. Welcome to the BoomEducation channel. Which hormone promotes the production of male flowers and cucurbits? Gibberellins. Write the name of a synthetic auxin. 2. For dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Which hormone induces parthenocarpy in tomatoes? Gibberellins. What is the hormone responsible for the secretion of milk in female after childbirth? Prolactin. Name the hormones which regulates water and mineral metabolism in man. Aldosterone. Which hormone is secreted during emergency situation in man? Adrenaline and noradrenaline. Which gland secretes digestive enzymes and hormones? Pancreas. Name the endocrine glands associated with kidneys. Adrenal gland. What are synthetic auxins? Give examples. Artificially synthesized auxins that have properties like auxins are called as synthetic auxins. Example 2 for D. What is bolting? How can it be induced artificially? Treatment of rosette plants with gibberellin induces sudden shoot elongation followed by flowering. This is called bolting. It's induced by artificial treatment with plant hormone gibberellin. It causes stem elongation in plants under normal condition. Bring out any two psychological activity of abscisic acid. ABA promotes the process of abscission, separation of leaves, flowers and fruits from the branch. ABA promotes senescence in leaves by causing loss of chlorophyll. What will you do to prevent leaf fall and fruit drop in plants? Support your answer with reason. We can spray auxins to prevent leaf fall and fruit drop in plants. Auxins prevent the formation of abscission layer, thus delay the abscission of leaves and fruits. So leaf and fruit can remain attached to the stem long time. What are chemical messengers? Hormones are powerful messages that control and coordinate essential processes such as growth, metabolism and fertility by carrying messages from endocrine glands to target cells and tissues. Write the differences between endocrine and exocrine gland. Endocrine, they secrete hormones. They are ductless gland. They are transported through bloodstream. Exocrine gland, they secrete enzymes, saliva, and milk. They may have or may not have ducts. They are transported through ducts or tubes. What is the role of parathormone? Role of parathormone. The parathormone regulates calcium and prosperous metabolism in the body. They act on bone, kidney, and intestine to maintain blood calcium levels. What are the hormones secreted by posterior lobe of the pituitary gland? Mention that issues on which they exert their effect. Hormones and effects. Vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone tissues of kidney tubules. Oxytocin tissues of uterus and mammary gland. Why are thyroid hormones referred as personality hormone? As thyroid hormones, triiodothyronine T3 and tetraiodothyronine T4 or thyroxine are essential for normal physical, mental, and personality development. They are also known as personality hormone. Which hormone requests iodine for its formation? What will happen if intake of iodine in our diet is low? Triiodothyronine T3 and tetraiodothyronine T4 or thyroxine. Less intake of iodine leads to goiter. Name the gaseous plant hormone. Describe its three different actions in plants. Ethylene is the gaseous plant hormone. It promotes the ripening of fruits. Example, tomato, apple, mango, banana, etc. It inhibits the elongation of stem and roots and dicots. Ethylene hastens the senescence of leaves and flowers. It breaks the dormancy of buds, seeds and the storage organs. Which hormone is known as stress hormone in plants? Why? Abscisic acid is the stress hormone. Because it increases tolerance of plants to various kinds of stress. So it's called a stress hormone. Describe an experiment which demonstrates the growth-stimulating hormone is produced at the tip of coleoptile. Fruits Wormold went demonstrate the effect of auxin in plants. He did experiments in Avena coleoptiles. In his experiment he removed the tip of Avena coleoptiles. The cut tip did not grow. Indicates something essential for growth. Second experiment he placed agar block on tip. It also did not show any response. He discarded the agar block. Straight up. He concludes that it needs some chemical on the top of coleoptiles responsible for growth. She named the chemical auxin means to grow. Write the physiological effects of gibberellins. Gibberellins break dormancy of potato tubers. It is inducing the formation of seedless fruits. Tomato. It promotes the production of male flowers in monoecious plants, cucurbits. Treatment of rosette plants with gibberellin induces sudden shoot elongation followed by flowering. This is called bolting. Applications of gibberellin stimulates extraordinary elongation of internode, e.g. corn and pea. Where are estrogens produced? What is the role of estrogens in the human body? Estrogens are produced by the Graafian follicles of the ovary. It brings about the changes that occur during puberty. It initiates the process of oogenesis. It stimulates the maturation of ovarian follicles in the ovary. It promotes the development of secondary sexual characters. What are the conditions which occur due to lack of ADH and insulin? How are the conditions different from one another? Lack of ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Endocrine hormone vasopressin. Reduces reabsorption of water, kidney tubules. Increases in urine polyuria, dehydration, increased thirst, polydipsia. Disorder, diabetes insipidus. Lack of insulin, exocrine and endocrine pancreatic hormone. Increases in blood sugar level, hyperglycemia. Frequent urination, polyuria, increased thirst, polydipsia, increased in appetite, polyphagia. Excretion of excess glucose, glycosuria. Disorder, diabetes mellitus. Thank you. Please subscribe BoomEducation channel.